The Alpine Ice Hack by Alpilean is making a buzz all over the internet with thousands of clients claiming its amazing results. But does Alpilean really works, or is it just internet gossip? Honestly, I think that what made Alpilean and the Alpine Ice Hack really famous was the fact that its users started sharing their results like the supplement was some kind of magical or something, when the truth is it's just science. What happens is that a group of scientists discovered in their studies that what makes our body accumulate stubborn fat and act almost in starvation mode is our inner body temperature. This temperature in question is not how we feel the weather on our skin, it's how we are inside our body, on our core. The inner body temperature has a strong impact on your metabolic response and the way that your body reacts after you eat. Having a low inner body temperature will make your metabolism slow down and make you accumulate fat, and that's when Alpilean will act. It targets in an effective way the low inner body temperature, skyrocketing your metabolism and burning fat really fast. So you see, there is no magical trick or some fallacy, it's just the good and old science. I think it's one of those obvious things that are only obvious after you say it out loud, or in this case after you study the subject for years and years and years. The Alpilean supplement was made to be taken every night before bed with a cup full of water and ice. That's the so-called ice hack. And it takes you less than a minute, so don't skip days, and remember, Alpilean is a natural supplement with a very specific combination of natural ingredients to give you the best experience of use with no side effects. And that's why you gotta know that the results will not appear within weeks, okay? That means you won't lose 60 pounds in 2 weeks. But if you follow the treatment right, you will see the transformation on your body and on your clothes. The creators of Alpilean shows that the best results comes in 3 to 6 months of use, and the success rate is up to 97% approval. That's a lot. Now, something you actually have to pay attention about this supplement. Unfortunately, I've seen Alpilean being sold on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, but here's my alert. The official supplement is only sold on the official site of the producers. And to save you some time and to keep you safe, I'm leaving the link to the official site right here in the description of this video. So if you decide to buy this, you only have to click on it. And only there, you can get the 60 days, yes, I said, 60 days, 100% money back guarantee, plus a really nice price for buying more bottles for your treatment, and of course, the assurance of knowing you're buying the original and natural Alpilean and not some placebo. And obviously, the original Alpilean is made here in the US in a GMP certified and FDA registered facility to guarantee the highest possible levels of purity, potency, and safety. You guys, I'm sure you will recover your confidence and self-esteem when you lose the first pounds using Alpilean. So if you decide to buy this supplement and test for yourself if the Alpine Ice Hack really works, come back here so we can hype each other in the comments, okay? That's it, you guys. I hope I helped you with my review, and don't forget the link in the bottom of this video to guarantee the best price and security. I hope I see you guys soon. Bye bye.